belonging button dangling around her neck and called her neighbor. So you have a youngster living next door to you, huh?
Yeah, he's 90.
Wesley Philbrick said there was a little more drama than really necessary.
An ambulance showed up. It busted through the drifts and to the backyard. Yeah.
Nina said she would have stayed, but at her age, it really isn't good to remain in the cold too long. You cried uncle Saturday morning.
Yeah.
Had enough.
I had enough of that. I says next year, I don't think I want to stay in the winter time here.
Maybe go to Florida or something?
No, in Florida, all my friends are dead.
Oh, sorry.
Wesley, he agrees with Nina. The shelter is fine, but home is can't be.